In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Stripe. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes, ensuring you can offer flexible payment options to your customers efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to stripe.com. This is your starting point for accessing the dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the sign in button. Give that a click. After clicking sign in, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, simply enter your email and password to access your Stripe account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. It's always a good idea to keep your login details secure to protect your account. With your details entered, hit the sign in button. You'll be taken directly to your Stripe dashboard once the credentials are verified. Now from your dashboard, you'll want to find the Home tab. This is where you can overview your account and is your first stop in navigating the platform's features. On the left sidebar of your dashboard, you'll see several options. Click on Settings. This section allows you to configure various aspects of your Stripe account. It's a very handy area to familiarize yourself with as it hosts all the options you'll need to set up and manage different integrations and functionalities. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and locate Product Settings. It's within this section that you will find the Payments tab. Click Payments and you'll be taken to where all payment methods can be managed. Next, within the Payments tab, you'll want to find and click on Payment Methods. This is where you can manage and configure various ways customers can pay you, which includes Affirm. Scroll down through the list of payment methods until you find Affirm. It's often towards the bottom as the list is quite extensive depending on what you've previously set up. When you see Affirm listed, there will be an option to toggle it on. This is essential if you want to start accepting payments through Affirm. Simply click the toggle switch to activate it. Make sure you confirm any settings if prompted so the changes are applied successfully. And that's it. You've now set up Affirm as a payment method on your Stripe account. Offering Affirm can provide your customers with more payment flexibility, potentially increasing your sales conversion. Remember, keeping these options updated and well managed will contribute greatly to the